Good morning, children. How are you? What we discussed in the previous class, our third operation. What is that? Yes, multiplication. Multiplying numbers. How many digits we are multiplying? Yes, 3-digit numbers by multiplying 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Okay. And then in my brother's marriage function, so I want to buy some dresses for my cousins. So I just asking the shopkeeper, what is the cost of one shirt? I just asking, how much rupees for this shirt? They says that 1,432 rupees. 1,432 rupees for that shirt. So I just counted. I have 4 cousins are there. Then how many rupees I want to pay? In one shirt has 1,432 rupees. Then I needed how many cousins? 4 cousins are there. How many cousins? 4 cousins. Then you say how much rupees I want to pay. How I get? Addition? No. What? Yes, multiplication. So, today we are discussing how many digits for here? The cost of shirt 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits? 4 digits. So, here how many members are there? 1. So, multiplying 4-digit number by 1 digit. What is our today's topic? Multiplying 4 digit by 1 digit. Ready? Write down. Multiplying 4 digit number by 1 digit number. Our topic is multiplying 4-digit number by 1-digit number. We will check it. How we multiply 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Are you ready? Okay. Then how we write first? First we are writing the first number. What is the first number? 1,432. 1,432 is the first number. Then second number 4. Where we write the 4? Where we write the 4? Yes. In second. As a second number, where we write? In the ones place. Here. Where we write 4? In the ones place. Okay. Don't write here. From here we are counting. Then what we do? That you know that. You already studied how to multiply the number. 3-digit number. Here you suppose that here there is no 1. Then how we multiply? You suppose that here there is no 1. Then what we do? 4 into 2. What's the value of 4 into 2? Who says 6? 6 is the answer. 4 plus 2 is 6. Not 4 into 2. What is the value of 4 into 2? Yes, 8. So we are writing here 8. Any carry? No. Then 4 into 3. What is the value of 4 into 3? 12. So we are writing 12 here. It's wrong. What we write here? 2 only. Then 1 where we write? Where we write 1? Here. Okay, 1 is a carry. Then where we write? Top of 2. We are writing this carry for top of 2? No. Then where? 3. No, we want to multiply this number next. So, we write the carry here. 1. Okay. 2 into 4, 8. Then 3 into 4, 12. We are writing 2 here, 1 as a carry. Then 4 into 4. 4 into 4, not 8. What is the value of 4 into 4? Into. Yes, 16. We are writing 6 here and 1 carry. What? What's wrong here? Yes, I forgot to add the Forgot to add the carry. How much carry here? 1. So 4 into 4, 16. Then 1 carry is the 16. Plus or minus? What we do? Yes, plus 16 plus 1. What is the value of 16 plus 1? 17. So we are writing 7. In 3-digit numbers we are writing 17 fully here. But here one more digit is there. 1 is there. So this 17, 7 we are writing here, 1 as a carry. Okay. Then 4 into 1. What is the value of 4 into 1? Yes, 4. 4 plus 1 is there. 1 carry is there. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 5. So, how much rupees I want to pay for 4 cousins' shirt? How much rupees I want to pay for 4 cousins' shirt? 5,728 rupees. 5,728 rupees I want to pay. Is it? So, in my brother's marriage, I want to buy some shirts for my cousins. One shirt cost is 1,432 rupees. So, I have 4 cousins are there. Then how much rupees I want to pay? Then what we do? Multiplication. First cousins, 1,432. Second cousin also 1,432. Then 1,432. 1,432. Then it's very difficult to adding. First, second, third, fourth. So very easy. Here 1,432. How many times we are adding? 4 times. So we are writing this 1,432 into 4. Okay. Then how we multiply? We are writing the numbers, arranging in column method. First number we are arranging. Then second number, ones place we are writing. Okay. Then we multiply each numbers. In for only 1 digit. So we want to multiply each of the digits of first. 4 into 2, 8. 3 into 4, 12. In 2 we are writing here 1 as a carry here. Then 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 1. 1 carry is there. 16 plus 1, 17. We are writing 7 here. 1 as a carry. Then 4 into 1. 4 into 1, 4. 1 carry is there. 5. So how much rupees I want to pay? How much pay? 5,728 rupees. Got it? We will do another problem. Okay. $5,301. 5,301 multiplying 5,301 and 3. 5,301 into 3. How you get the values? Then what we do first? We want to arrange the numbers. Which method? In column method. We want to arrange the numbers in column method. Are you ready to arrange? Okay, write down. 5, 3, 0, 1. Okay, 5, 3, 0, 1. Then where we write 3 in down. In which place we want to arrange? In down. In ones place we want to arrange 3. So 3 here. Then what we do? In each number we want to multiply with, each digit we want to multiply with 3. Which number we want to multiply first? Ones place digit. So ones place digit is 1. So 3 into 1. What is the value of 3 into 1? Yes, 3. Then next, 0. Tens place 0. Then 0 into 3. What is the value of 3? 0 into 3? 3 or 0? In the previous class I told you, any number we have multiplied with 0, we will get 0 itself. Are you remember? Okay, 0 into 3 is 0. Very good. Then 3 into 3, that also we are discussing. 3 plus 3 and 3 into 3. What is the value of 3 into 3? 9, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So 3 into 3 is 9. Any carry is there? No. So we are writing 9 here. Then 5 into 3. 1000 place is 5. 5 into 3. What is the value of 5 into 3? Who says 8? Not 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. But 5 into 3 is 1, 5, 5. 2, 5, 10. 3, 5. Yes, 15. So, 15. So, what is the product of 5,301 and 3? 15,903. How many of them doing this? So, can I give some problems to you? Okay, not some. Only one question I do given to you. You do alone. Sorry, 4,932 and 4,932 and 5. You do alone this problem. 4,932 into 5. You try to do alone. Okay, I give the time for you. You just do it. After that, I will explain. Okay, are you get the answer? How many of them get the answer? Okay, speed up. We have no time. Speed up. Okay, very good. Those who are finishing your works, you just check if your answer is correct or not. Okay, can I say the answer? This is our answer. 24,660. How many of them got this answer? Okay, only few. Where's your mistake, others? Okay, we will check it. How to get this answer. Ready? Those who are not getting this answer, you just listen here, then correct your answer. 5 into 2. What is the value of 5 into 2? Yes, 10. 1, 5, 5. 2, 5, 10. So we are writing 0 here, 1 as a carry. Okay. Then 5 into 3 is the next number. 3 is the next number or next digit. 5 into 3. What is the value of 5 into 3? Yes? 15. Very good. Who says that? Okay, very good. 15. Then 1 carry is there. 15 plus 1. Are you forgot to adding the carry? Yes. So 15. Then 15 plus 1. 16. Very good. Then 1 carry. Okay. Then 5 into 9. What is the value of 5 into 9? 1, 5, 5. 2, 5, 10. 3, 5, 15. 4, 5, 20. 5, 5, 25. 6, 5, 30. 7, 5, 35. 8, 5, 40. And 9, 5, 45. So 1 carry is there. Then what we get? 45 plus 1? Yes, 46. We are writing 46, 6 here. 4 as a carry. Then 4 into 5. It's a value of 4 into 5. I just count it now. What? 20. So 21 4 is as a carry. 20 plus 4, 24. Okay, are you correct your answer? All are? Then anyone have doubt for multiplying 4-digit number by 1-digit number? We will do more problems. Okay, then before giving some questions, I just discussed in previous class workbook problems. Okay, only few of them send the answer. So those who are not getting the answer, you just, the previous class I given the works. S1, this questions. S1, multiplying 3-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers. So 3 questions are there. Okay, that we will do now. First question, look here. First multiplying question A. 244 into 12. 244 into 12. So they are writing here multiplication symbol. Okay, second number 568 into 34. Okay, we will do this problems. We want to multiply with each of the digits in first. As we want to multiply 2 into each of the first digit. So 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4, again 8. 2 into 2, 4. Then 1. We want to multiply with 1. We are writing down second place. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 2, 2. Then add it. 8, 12. 1 as a carry. 4 plus 4. Not 16. 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Then 2. Okay, 2928. How many of them got this answer? Okay, then here 8 into 4. 188. 2 8. 2 8. 16. 3 8. 24, 4, 8, 32. We are writing 3 here, sorry 2 here and 3 as a carry. Then 4 into 6, 4 into 6, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. 7 we are writing here, 2 as a carry. 5 into 4, 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Then 3 into 8, 24. We are writing 4 here, 2 as a carry. 3 into 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Then 2 as a carry. 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Then add it. 2, 11. 1 as a carry. 2 plus 0, 0. Sorry, 2. Plus 1, 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 19,312. Okay. Then next question. Here 2,928 and here 19,312. It's your answer. The next question. Solve using the column method. One has been done for you. This done for you. And here we want to do. First question. $213 into 121. Second question. 674 into 379. These are the questions. Okay, we will check it how to get. 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2. Then again we multiply with 2. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Then with 1 we want to multiply. 3, 1, 2. Then add it. 3, 7. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 5, 2. This is the answer. And second number, 9 into 4, 36. 6 we are writing. Here 3. 63. 63 plus 3. 63 plus 3. 66. We are writing 6 here. 6. 54. 54 plus 6. 60. Okay. Then 7 into 4. 28. 7 into 7. 49. 49 plus 2. 51. 5. Then 7 into 6. 42. 42 plus 5. 47. Okay. Then 3 into 4. 12. 1. 3 into 7. 21. 21. 20 plus 1. 22. 2 as a carry. 3 into 6. 18. 18 plus 2. 20. 6. 6 plus 8. 14. 1 as a carry. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 plus 1. 4. 6 plus 7. 13. 13 plus 2. 15. 1. Then 4 plus 0. 4. Plus 1. 5. 2. Two lakh 55,446. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, correct your answer. First answer 25,773 and here 2,55,446. Okay, are you correct your answer? Okay, very good. Then one more word problem is the next. Manu's father spent rupees 120 on petrol every day. Every day he spent 120 for petrol. Then how much money will he spend on petrol in 365 days? 365 days means 1 year. So they will ask in 1 year how much money he spent for petrol. Then you write the steps. Then I will do answer only. 365 into 120. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 6, 0. 0 into 3, 0. Then 2 into 5, 10. We are writing 1 as a carry. 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1 as a carry. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 3, 3. 0, 0, 8. 13. 4. 14,800 is the answer. Okay, this is a workbook problems. Okay, if you have any doubt, you just call me for this answers and today's class also. Today we are discussing multiplying 4-digit number by 1-digit number. First we want to arrange the numbers in column. Then each number from the ones place onwards we want to multiply in the second number using second number. Okay. Then we will give more problems from your textbook, practice questions and workbook problem we will do later. Okay, thank you.